lecture, I'm going to discuss about how to install MySQL Community Server 8.46 LTS on this Windows machine. So first here, in Google search box right there, MySQL, then go on this mysql.com site. Then after, let's scroll down. Here you can see MySQL Community Server. There going to select 8.46 LTS Windows, that's going to select. Here MSI file, zip archive and zip. So let's use the MSI file. Let's use the no thanks. So the file size 128 MB is the file size and this is currently downloading. So MySQL 8.46 Windows 64-bit and this is almost done here. So this done here, let's click on this open folder and then after double click on this MSI file. There you need to click on this next, I accept, next, complete going to select there, then after you need to click on this install. Now this come from Oracle America, let's click on yes button, installing MySQL Server 8.4 on this Windows machine. So this is a status. Thereafter run MySQL configuration, this you need to check, click on this finish. This will come from Oracle America, let's click on yes button. And here you need to click next, next, next. Here root user password you need to give there. And after giving this, let's click on this add user, giving the username Adam. Give their password. And now let's click on OK. Then click on next, next, next. Sakila database going to create there and what. Thereafter click on next and execute. So this configuration that's going to apply there. Firewall service database initialization server is off. Done here. Let's click on next, finish, and this all ready. There you need to write there MySQL. Then you can go on this command line. Thereafter you need to give their root user password. This connected with the MySQL 8.46 and let's see their database right there. So databases. This all database that's come there. Let's use Sakila. Sakila, and now going to see the table content. So select a start from city. City table going to see the record. So this all city table record that's displaying there. So this is the most simplest way we can install MySQL Community Server 8.46 LTS on this Windows machine. So I hope guys this video is helpful for you. So now this video is over. So thanks for watching. See you next video. Thank you.